Bullish particle value forecast is $12.45 to $44.33. Cosmos cost could likewise reach $50 soon. Bearish IOTA cost expectation for 2022 is $5.89. In Universe cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about particle to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. Universe current market status. The cost of Universe is $12.37 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $236,376,272 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, particle has expanded by almost 1.9% as of now. Besides, Universe has a coursing supply of 292,586,163 particle. Presently, Universe exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, BTCEX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. What is Universe? A universe is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint Agreement. All in all, the universe is a climate of blockchains that can gauge and work on one another. Prior to the universe, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to create and could deal with few exchanges each second. Universe takes care of these issues with another mechanical vision. To comprehend this vision, we want to return to the essentials of blockchain innovation. Universe Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of IOTA laid the climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around separately seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is by and large a quality of a bullish pattern. As of now, Universe is in the scope of $12.37. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of particle could arrive at the obstruction levels of $17.28 and $44.33. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of particle might tumble to $5.85. Universe backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Universe. From the above day-to-day time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Universe. Resistance level 1 $12.45, resistance level 2 $17.14, resistance level 3 $25.39, resistance level 4 $34.99, support level $8.59. The diagrams show that Universe has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, particle could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $34.99. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Universe could plunge to nearly $8.59, a negative sign. Universe Value Expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Universe is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of IOTA lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Universe is displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, Universe cost lies underneath the 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Molecule has entered a negative state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Molecule whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the IOTA is 49.23. This implies that Universe is almost oversold. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of IOTA might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Universe Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Universe. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Universe. Presently, the ADX of particle lies in the scope of 20.483, and in this manner, it shows a frail pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability list of Universe. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Molecule lies over 50, showing high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Universe is at 49.23, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of particle with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Universe. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and particle are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of particle likewise increments or diminishes individually. Universe Value Forecast 2023, In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Universe could most likely achieve $50 by 2023. Universe Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Universe could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Particle could revitalize to hit $55 by 2024. Universe Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Universe supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Particle would revitalize to hit $60. Universe Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Universe supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Molecule would energize to hit $65. Universe Value Forecast 2027. If Universe supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Molecule would revitalize to hit $70. Universe Value Forecast 2028. If Universe holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, IOTA would hit $75 in 2028. Universe Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run it and keep on putting down their wagers on Universe, it would observe significant spikes. Particle could hit $80 by 2029. Universe Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Universe biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Particle for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Universe could hit $85 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Universe organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Particle. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Universe in 2022 is $44.33. Then again, the negative value expectation of Universe cost expectation for 2022 is $5.85. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Universe environment, the presentation of Particle would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.45 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $50 assuming the financial backers accept that IOTA is a wise interest in 2022. What is Universe? Universe is a digital currency intended to drive the blockchain climate. 2. Where might you at any point buy an IOTA? Universe has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, MEXC, Deepcoin, and Bybit. 3. Will IOTA come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Particle stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Universe? On January 17, 2022, IOTA arrived at its new all-time high of $44.45. 5. Is IOTA a wise interest in 2022? Universe